everyone and welcome to the Hygiene Innovation. Today we are going to discuss about the topic of Adult Tinkering Lab and its details. Let's see about what is Adult Tinkering Lab. Making students interested in the field of science and technology. The Tinkering Lab is a project of the central government to give them their hands-on experience in the field. The Tinkering Lab would teach students essential 21st century skills which will help them in developing their professional and personal skills. And one more thing, the Adult Tinkering Lab is a workspace where young minds can give shapes to their ideas through hands-on. It's your self-mode and learn innovation skills. With the vision of raising 1 million children in India as innovators, the Adult Innovation Mission, an initiative of the Government of India, was launched through the NITI Aayog. Adult Tinkering Laboratory is being set up in schools across India under Adult Innovation Mission. The main aim of this project is to develop skills such as creativity, imaginations in young mind, then learning on designing physical computing. Then now let's see establishing Adult Tinkering Lab. First one, functional area. The functional area is the space and arrangement in a lab that includes the soldering section as well as the presentation area, then a learning area for the students. Then next one is the human resource. Human resource is the need to have a head to carry forward our tinkering lab appointed by the head at the principal. The next one is content to be used in our lab. Our Adult Tinkering Lab has a procedure and time schedule to proceed accordingly. And next one is tools and materials. These tools and materials contain a package of electronics components and 3D printers, mechanical parts and safety and first aid. Let's see what is time management in next. This time management should take our tinkering lab to a correct time schedule. So we can only give a particular opportunity for their new ideas according to their ability. The next pictured below is the organizational structure of Adult Tinkering Lab. The Adult Tinkering Lab in a school is run by its principal, and the school principal appointed as a resource person as the head of the Tinkering Lab. And next there will be a lab in charger. This lab in charger provides students with the necessary components and their opportunity to realize their talent. Then last one is the important thing. One is the Adult Tinkering Lab with a representative. It could be a local community person or any two young innovators and students or to parents. The next, the picture below is the Tinkering Lab in a school. Having a close and orderly love environment like this gives children the opportunity to come up with new ideas and bring out their own talent. The next, let's take a look at these key components of Adult Tinkering Lab. The first one, the projector for learning student and the fire extinguisher in case of any emergency, modular furniture, a perfect soldering station and drawers for the arrangement of components, then right to know compliance center. Next, we are going to look at the management of Tinkering Lab. The first one, inventory management. Let's first look at what is inventory management is. This include our tools, materials and stock management. The inventory management aim to make a list of the components that are now available and what was used and what was damaged. The next, The facility management, this in all the components in our tinkering lab are kept in a way we can easily handle. And the power source and plug point in our lab is to find is there any risk, and it's also very important to make sure that the items are expired. The next one is the information management. If there are any classes in our tinkering lab and any program is found, it's for the information management to inform the student. Finally, let's see what is the financial management. The government appoints funds to run the tinkering lab in each school. These funds are managed through financial management. That's all about the basic idea on adult tinkering lab.